Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here with a very special video. I am in Cupertino, California, and I'm here at Apple Park for the first time ever. I'm here at the visitor center. Let's go check it out. So come with me and let's see what it's all about. Your thoughts, Bill, on this beautiful structure?
Well, the architecture is quite striking. I can't wait to see the model of Apple Park inside.
All right, so let's have a look. And this is the AR app they have here at the visitor center.
Fitness and wellness.
And wow, look at that. That is so neat. So you can pretty much like extract the whole thing. That's awesome. Cool air flows through the ring building. Oh wow, can you lift the building or? Whoa, that is so cool. Yeah. That is so cool. Here at the visitor center, they have these specific iPads for Apple Park that they give you. And it has one app on it just for the AR. Wow. It's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. I like that. I wonder if they sell the sticker of that. Do you guys sell the sticker of this?
This is not a sticker.
It's actually it's
not a sticker. It's engraved.
It's actually engraved in. Okay, awesome.
All right.
So this is the reason why I'm really excited, because this is the only place where you can actually get these kind of Apple logoed shirts, and I'm definitely going to be picking up a few right now because I've come way too far to not pick up a few.
Styling.
Look
Frankie
good?
Tech styling, yeah.
All right, I think this is the perfect size for me, so there we go. Okay, so I can't leave empty-handed. I got the memory cards, which I'll unbox later. Postcard set number 3.
Ooh, nice.
And I've owned most of these products, actually. And I have here the Apple Park tote.
Ooh, you got
all my
tote bags, yeah.
all my grocery needs. And I have 3 shirts. 2 of which have this Apple Park logo right there.
Oh, very, very slick.
And one for my wife, obviously. Thanks, baby. And one with the 6 colors flying apple.
Oh.
And I can't wait to try these on later.
Looking forward to that video, Frankie Tech.
Thank you. All right, so I got my my products here. Now we're here in Cafe Max. And it's a beautiful cafe, just absolutely beautiful. And we're gonna have a little bit of coffee. Bill, your order's up.
Order's up.
All right. Awesome. Thank you, Bill. So, you know, Apple makes some really awesome products. Let's see how they make their coffee here.
I think it's going to be good.
I think it's going to be good? Okay.
I think it's going to be really good.
All right, cool. Let's try it out.
Do you want me to first drink here?
No, it's okay. I'll just try it behind the camera. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That hits the spot. Enjoy your chamomile tea here.
Look at this fancy tea.
Beautiful, beautiful. Very nice. Very nice.
It's got a steam for a while.
Awesome. Well, we're going to enjoy this, and then we're going to go to the roof. Actually, one of the coolest details are these stairs. They're very, very neat. These stairs are so cool. We're going up to the rooftop right now. Just an amazing building. Almost there.
All right.
Here we are. There's the roof deck. There is Apple Park.
Oh, look at that.
Awesome. Awesome. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the visitor center at Apple Park. I clearly enjoyed myself. I'm going to be unboxing these when I get back to Hong Kong. But that's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. If you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for future updates. Appreciate it, guys. I'm coming back to Hong Kong tomorrow, and I will see you there very soon. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.